two can drive.
Lina salad and a full salad. Make a full salad. Mana tu juga. Ada something.
Nasta na ano si Michelle? Sama na ano?
Because I don't know the place too. Yeah.
No, this morning she called me. Said, you wait for me, I'll get you after.
Yeah.
Nah.
I thought you left Wednesday. Wednesday? Next week? So fast now? Because you have school. Yeah. That's hard when you go vacation. Not summer, right? I think.
That place.
Oo. Sister Sam. Very big deal yan. Very big deal.
You know, last week when you were gonna come, there's 10 there, so if you drive in the car, you will know. I mean, my auntie will sing. Yeah, that's the
So big their land. DJ, you bless them. Tell them, all of them, bless DJ. You don't even because of my phone. Oi. But so tingin na doon yung stay. She's gonna stay. Better to the drama when you buy her. Oh, that's why she don't follow the mom. Yeah, because don't left.
Yeah, he's actually.
Anna, when you gonna go to States? Si Anna said, yeah, when we have money. Ayan ako si Daddy Trump.
No, me ready go to Nice.
Ha?
Long time.
Ay, yun doon.
Tennessee.
Then you come back here.
Tennessee.
Tennessee.
My friend.
Well, not him, man.
Huh?
So he's not her, he's him. Oh, I am him.
Wait, let's see what we can do the most. Me first. One, two.
That's good, man. That's free.
Identify. Go.
You might give me.
Go, Asu. Three. I still miss. What can we do with water bottles? Mom, you have a pen? What are you gonna do? Flip the pen? I'm gonna make a hole here and then I'm gonna spray it on you.
I'm gonna do Zumba. Very long.
Wow, bro, you're so smart.
We're gonna
I
dance
can just
to
take out the cup and spray the whole water on you. No.
Keep on raining, Auntie Chloe.
Yeah.
Ooh. I think it's a take. Yeah, there. So it's much better. Once they can see her.
When is that when I see her? Like, she has away.
Bro, that's been a lot.
There is a funeral.
Tell your mama.
Oh, you're in, okay.
Call me when
Bye, my friend. Already here?
the birthday.
I'm not freaking gay.